welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because your girl has passed 500 subscribers, and like I promised, once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. That's what I promised you guys. That's what I'm about to do. Also, in this video, I'm gonna do a little unboxing of a little goodie that I got for myself. I just wanted to show y'all, see what y'all thought about it. My boyfriend gave me extra money to buy something for myself again, y'all. it's like he automatically knew that I didn't buy nothing. I don't know, but so I want to do a little unboxing of it and show you guys what I got. First, let's start with the giveaway, okay? All right. So for the giveaway, I want to say thank you guys so much for getting me to 500. Now we are on the road to 1,000, and we gonna make it, right? So no, it's one word. Giveaway! Yay! From Baddies and the bag. Woohoo! XOXO, because I love all y'all. So anyways, for the giveaway, this is what I want y'all to do. I only want everybody to do one thing in order for you to enter the giveaway for a chance to win the gift that I'm giving away. I need you guys to just one simple thing. Comment on the video. That's it. That's all you have to do to enter into the giveaway. Just comment below. Comment whatever you like. Just make sure it's something nice, because we're not doing mean over here. So comment something nice on the video for a chance to enter the giveaway. And then in the next 3 days, I will do another video where I will reveal the winner. So how am I going to choose this winner? I'm gonna tell you how. It's very simple. I'm gonna write everyone who comment below on this video. I'm gonna write all y'all names down in papers. I'm gonna fold up the papers, and I am going to shake the bag, dip in, pick out a winner, reveal. That's it. So comment down below for a chance to enter into the giveaway. That's how I'm going to reveal the winner, and that's going to be done in another video. So look out for the video reveal. It should be within 3 days that I'll choose somebody. I give you guys some time to comment. So comment on the video down below. Comment whatever you like, something nice, and that's how you enter for a chance to win the giveaway. Now, what am I giving away? Let's see. What do I got to give? I ain't got no money, y'all, so don't expect that. So let's see what I'm giving away, y'all. I'm giving away, I have this. It's one winner, by the way. One person. Monthly budgeting sheets. This is a 5-pack of monthly budgeting sheets. So a 5-pack monthly budgeting sheets. We also have 5-pack of expense trackers. So that's 2 things. We also have the little mini budget sheets that you're supposed to put in your binder. Look at that. And this is a set of, I think this is 12. So a set of 12 budgeting sheets to put in your binder. I have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have an 8-piece savings challenge bundle right here. This is along also within the giveaway. 8-piece savings challenge bundle. save 600, save 440, save 200, save 250, save 500, save, these are so cute by the way, save 800, save 400, and save 1,000. So I have an 8-piece giveaway here, savings challenge. A part of what I'm giving away to the person that's going to win, the lucky winner. So that's another thing. So right now we have 4 things, and this is all for one person, like I said. And last but not least, guess what? A savings challenge binder, your little own binder. And guess what? It is customized, real cute, as y'all can see. And you have 10 challenges in this binder. So guess what? When you finish all your challenges, guess what you could do? I bet nobody knows. Guess what you could do when you finish all these challenges? You start new ones. You have 8 new ones to refill this binder when you are finished with all of these. And you got envelopes. Look at that. Plus, another thing is, when you're finished with your saving challenges, if you want to turn this binder into a high priority binder, a sinking funds binder, a bills binder, whatever you want, you can. Because guess what? You have envelopes and everything is there. The only thing you would need is some labels, and you're all set. So this is what I have for the giveaway winner. I have all these items for the giveaway winner, the person who is going to win the giveaway. And the giveaway is very easy to enter. Like I said, all you have to do is comment below something nice. That's it. I don't want y'all to do nothing more. Just comment something nice below. That's it, for a chance to enter. In the next 3 days, like I said, I will reveal the winner on another video. So you guys get to the commenting. Okay, so let me put these up for the winner. That way I can get to show you guys what I bought with my money that my boyfriend gave me to buy something nice for myself. Part 2. If you guys watch my $300 stuffing video, then you'll know why I said part 2. I mean, that's because he gave me that $300 first, and I didn't buy nothing for myself. So let me show y'all what I got. Let me show y'all what I got. Ooh, let me show y'all what I got. Ooh, let me show y'all what I got. First, let's start with Aldo's. Guys, I got something from Aldo's. Isn't the bag cute? Look at the bag. I like the bag because it's a recycled bag. So it feels definitely like plastic. I'm definitely going to keep this bag. And another reason why I like the bag is because the bag is pink. Jesus, the bag is pink. So let me show y'all what I got from Aldo's. I got these sandals. Y'all think it's cute? I got these to wear, like, you know, I'm going on the road, I'm going to the store. I decided to get these from Aldo's for myself. They were like 30 bucks. It's flip-flops, but it's cute flip-flops. So I was like, yay, let me get flip-flops. So I got flip-flops. Let me show you what else I got from Aldo. Oh my god, y'all, I think this is super cute. This is a slide. And let me tell you why I love this slide so much. Can you guess? Because it's pink. Oh my god, that is such a pretty pink. And on top of that, it's like, it's so cute. Like, I'm ready to wear it to school. I'm so ready to wear this to school. that's one of the main reasons why I got it though, to wear it to school. So I did get these. Oh my god, y'all see that? These, I think these were $40 at Aldo's. Whoa, pretty. And I got me 3 things, so that's 2, and I'm gonna show y'all what else I got. I kind of went a little mid-luxury, because y'all know sometimes you have to have a mid or luxury item in your little closet. So I went with this. Y'all, I got some Tories. Yes, baby, I got me some Tories, and this is from Tory Burch. Doll. Anyways, I'm in South Florida, y'all, so I went to the mall in Boca, and I went to the Tory Burch store, and I got me a pair of sandals. I do like their jelly sandals for if I'm going, you know, simple places. It just looks so cute with outfits, and at the same time it kind of gives off classy, you know, because it's kind of like a mid-luxury brand. But yeah, I got me some Tories, so let's unbox the Tories. First of all, they got this cute little bag. I love the Tory bag. Y'all know I'm finna throw this out. And here we go. What is this? They gave me a little, I think it's a little letter thing. Oh no, it's the receipt. So this is the receipt. Okay, let me put the receipt back. And then this is the Tories. Y'all want to see which one I got? Y'all want to see? Y'all want to see what I got? So they do have some new, what you call it? They have some new jelly slides out. So I got the jelly slide. Keep watching. Keep watching, baby. Keep watching. I got these. Of course they're pink, y'all know. But they're like a different color pink. Y'all see? Y'all like it? Tell me if y'all like it down below in the comment section. Let me move the box. Guys, I like how it's like a blush pink. It's not really like bright pink. And the shape, I love the shape. I feel like the shape is different from their regular. It's definitely different from the regular jellies. But listen, I love the shape. It's giving woman. It's giving class. So this is what I got, y'all. I got me Tory slides, Tory sandals. Sorry, listen to me talking about slides. Tory sandals, so cute. So when I came home, I was like, babe, you can't say that I didn't buy something for myself now. Like, you cannot say I didn't buy something for myself. But guess what, guys? He did give me another $300 again. And this is what I bought with it. Some Tories and some Aldos. I wanted to get a Michael Kors tote bag, but I went to Macy's. They didn't have any that I liked. And Michael Kors, it turns out the Michael Kors that was at the mall is closed down now. So they didn't, like, I couldn't go to the Michael Kors store, and I wasn't gonna drive all the way to Sawgrass to go to the Michael Kors store. So yeah, no. But anyways, y'all see my tours. So that's what I got for myself, guys. Being that I did that $300 video and told you guys that I didn't get anything for myself, I wanted to show you guys the second time around what I got this time, since he gave me the money. But y'all, comment down below for a chance to win your budget binder. It's yours. Claim it. Just leave a comment down below to win these giveaway sets. I'm so excited to give something away, and I want to tell you guys Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for being so positive under all my posts. I love you guys so much. You guys are so funny, and I enjoy bringing content to you every day. I'm not gonna lie, I really do enjoy it. It's something that I really like to do, and I'm trying to post a video every day, so I, for you guys, so I don't keep y'all waiting. So I try to do something every day, that way I can post a video every day. So thank you guys so much. One more time, comment down below for a chance to enter into the giveaway, and I can't wait to see who wins. I'll see you guys in the next video.